What are we doing today, Chris?
Bedroom accent wall.
We're doing an accent wall, and it's gonna be great. Today we're gonna be doing an accent wall in our bedroom along this back wall, and I'm pretty excited.
I'm excited.
Yeah, so we are gonna do a grid with board and batten, and then we're gonna paint it black is the plan. We went to Home Depot last night. We got some MDF boards that we're gonna use to make a grid pattern of board and batten, and then we're gonna paint. So it should be a pretty quick project today, which would be nice.
The devil is in the details. Lots of measuring to do first to make sure that our grid works out properly, because if one square is off, it's gonna look not so good.
We've been sleeping on the floor for the past like 4+ years.
It's kind of like student housing.
So we're ready. We're ready for an upgrade.
We're ready to become grown-ups and adults, and we are going to do an accent wall.
Accent wall.
That's the first step.
Number one.
The first step is accent wall.
Yep.
And then we are going to build a bed frame and headboard.
And headboard. So we're gonna be,
we're gonna elevate our adultness.
It's gonna be great. I'm so excited. So it should be pretty quick. It should be a couple hours, like a one and done, one day DIY.
But such a transformation.
It's gonna be a transformation. You ready?
Hands in the middle.
All right, and we are gonna get ready to do some painting. You ready, Chris? It's gonna be a little darker than before. Okay, we have finished the accent wall, and it turned out really well. What do you think? I feel like our room is a little more grown up.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, you kept saying hotel.
Yeah, I feel like we're in a hotel all of a sudden. So part 1 of the bedroom makeover is complete, and part 2 will be actually building a bed, which will be exciting.
So the next time we film this video will be
a little higher.
A little bit higher.
So we ended up doing this over 2 days. It could totally have been done just in one day, but we just did a second coat of paint the next day because we had plans. What tools did you find was really helpful to have for doing this?
Well, the measuring of where to put all of our slats probably took the longest amount of time, because we wanted to make sure it was everything was spaced out properly. So I used a brad nailer, which was super helpful just to pop in those nails. You could use a hammer and nail, not a big deal. Having a miter saw is key as well, so you get that nice straight cut that everything just lines up, because you want to get it as tight as possible so that you don't have to put too much wood filler in there. So those are probably the two most important tools, having the brad nailer and the miter saw. So if you don't have one, go borrow one. It's worth it. You'll save yourself some time.
So hopefully this has inspired you if you've been thinking about maybe doing an accent wall in your bedroom. It is definitely a very simple DIY project that you can accomplish in either 1 to 2 days on a weekend, and I would definitely recommend giving it a try. I'd love to hear what project you are tackling in your home this weekend, so leave a comment below and share that with me. And if you would like to watch some more videos, you can check this one out or this one as well.